When it comes to home improvement projects, two of the most popular retailers are Home Depot and Lowe's. Both stores offer a wide range of products and services, but there are some key differences between them. First, let's look at the history of the two companies. Home Depot was founded in 1978 and has since grown to become one of the largest home improvement retailers in the world. Lowe's, on the other hand, was founded in 1946 and has a strong presence in the United States and Canada. In terms of product selection, both Home Depot and Lowe's offer a wide range of products, including lumber, building materials, tools, and gardening supplies. However, Home Depot is known for having a slightly larger selection of products, with over 35,000 different items available in their stores. Lowe's, on the other hand, has around 25,000 different products. When it comes to prices, both Home Depot and Lowe's are generally competitive with each other. However, Home Depot is often seen as the more budget-friendly option, with lower prices on many of their products. Lowe's, on the other hand, is often seen as the more upscale option, with a focus on higher-end products and better customer service. Another key difference between the two stores is their return and exchange policies. Home Depot has a more lenient return policy, allowing customers to return items within 90 days of purchase. Lowe's, on the other hand, has a 30-day return policy. In terms of services, both Home Depot and Lowe's offer a range of services, including installation, repair, and maintenance. However, Home Depot is known for its comprehensive installation services, with a wide range of options available for everything from kitchen cabinets to roofing. Ultimately, the choice between Home Depot and Lowe's will depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you're looking for a wide selection of products at competitive prices, Home Depot may be the better option. If you're looking for higher-end products and better customer service, Lowe's may be the way to go.